How to create your July dump photo trend on Instagram. So here is how to do it. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply tap on your story option available in the top left corner of your screen or swipe through it. Now, tap on the photos option available in the bottom left corner of your screen to browse through your July dump photos. Now all you have to do is tap on it and scroll through your gallery and tap on the any photo you prefer to keep as a July dump. Then once you find the photo, then simply tap on it. So I'm still searching for it. Now once you find the photo, all you have to do is tap on the sticker icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then from there you can simply tap on the add yours option available there. Tap on the add yours. Then once you tap on the add yours, put the caption July dump or any month dump you want according to your preferences. Then once done, simply tap on the done option available and post it to your story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.